In case you assume Kingfisher Halloween human costume. Bird Animal Easy DIY gift shirt. Buy prematurely and put together everything. The youngsters could have a good time each the times earlier than in the day of the celebration. Within the subsequent article, we'll implement the auth logic in FastAPI software. Within the subsequent article, we'll implement the logic in FastAPI software and deploy our app on data micros. So our lengthy Kingfisher Halloween human costume bird animal easy DIY gift shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Kingfisher Halloween human costume bird animal easy DIY gift shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. Regulation. And in the present day's present setting the place suing claims are excessive. It'll be a serious challenge for all employers to guarantee that everything attainable is completed to guard workers and thus themselves. It's in an identical development course. The inside my site listing is the precise Python bundle to your mission. Its title is the Python bundle title you'll want to make use of too. Kingfisher Halloween human costume bird animal easy DIY gift shirt. Something inside it, e.g. my site URLs. Git clone is a command for downloading current supply code from a distant repository, like GitHub, for instance. Now, we've got to commit it to share on Git. If there are any errors like expired token or an invalid token, we will merely elevate an HTTP exception. Other product